In this video, I'll guide you how to use free profile to manage finance on Song Nhi App. The free personal profile allows you to manage essential tasks such as tracking daily income and expenses at no cost. This profile is available exclusively on iOS and Android. Open the Song Nhi app on your mobile and start by adding a free profile. Set the currency for this profile. Now, I'll quickly demonstrate how to add transactions through chat, like entering expenses or income. After adding your transactions, head over to the Report tab to view a summary of all your entries. You can also navigate to the History tab to manage your transactions using the advanced filter options available in the top right corner. For more powerful financial management tools, consider upgrading your profile to unlock features like the 6 jars system and personalized financial tips to support your strategy. And thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also, if you're looking for a smart way to manage your finances and escape the rat race, check out Song Nhi, the perfect finance app to help you achieve financial freedom. You can download it today and start your journey. Drop a comment below and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.